as you know, we have a new co-host, Ryan Seeley, and you may want to know a little bit about him. Ryan, it's great to have you, so tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I'm so excited to be here, Judy. So I was born and raised in Oregon, so I'm actually a sixth generation Oregonian. I kind of grew up out in the West Linn, Wilsonville area where my parents still live. We come from a long line of farmers that have come out there. So I've been in the nursery industry for over 20 years. So I started out of college as an Oregon State grad, went into the retail garden industry. So I partnered up with a couple people out of college and we had a retail garden center, ran that for about 14 years. And then I transitioned out of that and then went into the wholesale side of things. I'm currently a sales manager for Little Prince of Oregon Nursery, and I've been there for the last 8 years doing that job. So I love being in the industry, I love all the people in the industry, and now I'm just super excited to be able to be out and getting to see all these places and experience all these new things.
On the other side of the camera, because actually we've interviewed you many times at your nursery and at Little Prince of Oregon.
I've been on Garden Time back since I think 2006, doing segments on the other side, many stories over the years, but so I'm excited to be on the other side, to be able to host it and to take that knowledge and just expand what I know and what I love.
That's great. And you know, you have a family too, so tell us about them.
I do. So I'm married, my wife Kim, and we have two kids, our daughter Anna and Brett. Anna's a junior in high school at Lake Ridge, and our son is a seventh grader. And so, they love to go on outings with us. They've been immersed in the garden industry with me and come along for the journey. And they're super excited to see me grow and what's going on. And they look back at some of the old footage and they comment on how much younger I looked back then at some of these old spots. But it's fun to have them involved in this and along for the ride.
Oh, that's great. And you're a big hiker, aren't you?
I am. So I do a lot of hiking and camping. I'm involved with Boy Scouts. So every summer we're out doing hiking and camping. This last summer took scouts around Mount Hood. So we did a 40-mile trek around Mount Hood and Trimline Trail. So we're always out doing camping and being in the outdoors, and I just love being out.
And you even hike internationally too.
We do. I have done some hiking internationally. So a couple summer or winters ago, I went to and hiked Kilimanjaro. Went to Africa and did a big fundraiser for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, their team and training program. And so we raised a lot of money, and I went and climbed Kilimanjaro.
Wow, quite a feat! That's amazing.
Yeah, it was a fun trip, and just kind of plants that seed and that bug to kind of makes you want to get out and go experience more climbing and just to see what else is out there.
Oh, neat. Well, there you have it. Hope you've enjoyed meeting Ryan, and we both look forward to seeing you next year on our 15th season of Garden Time. But don't forget to check our website and Facebook page for a lot of winter tips.